Now for some golden nuggets of knowledge and more discussions on the gold market, we're joined by Tan Chung Han, Chief Market Analyst at FXTM. Thank you very much for joining us. Now, the price of gold is up more than 10% since the start of this year, extending gains of more than 26% in 2024. Are you still bullish on gold for 2025? Is there anything that could halt the precious metals momentum?
Yes, I'm still bullish on gold, and it's moving closer to our 3K target that we have expressed since December, really. So there are strong tailwinds for gold, such as safe haven demand and central bank purchases, as you mentioned earlier. However, to your question, its upside momentum could be halted, at least temporarily, if markets are forced to, say, further delay expectations for Fed rate cuts for this year, or possibly even consider a Fed rate hike. Then those prospects could prompt some declines in gold, but we expect any of such declines to be rather limited.
Okay, we constantly see news about rising gold prices almost weekly in recent years, but how have other precious metals performed, such as silver and platinum?
So silver has a strong correlation with gold, and in fact has even climbed faster than gold so far this year. So silver up 14% year to date versus gold's 12%. So silver is indeed playing catch up, not just from a valuation perspective, but also from the rising demand for precious metals overall, right? On the other hand, platinum is further back, up only 9% year to date. It has less investment demand and has more industrial use. So given concerns about the global economic outlook, platinum even fell as much as 7.5% over the past week, even while gold just keeps pushing on to new record highs.
Now, as demand for gold surges, what about the supply side? Are we seeing increased investment in gold mining or indeed mining of other precious metals?
Yeah. So for reference, and this is data from the World Gold Council, so total gold supply last year reached a peak at almost 5,000 tons, right? Now, and it's great that you're asking this question right now, because after U.S. markets closed today, we've got Newmont, which is the biggest miner in the world. It's about to announce its mining guidance for this year, right? So, but overall, we do expect resilient mining output and investments, but more importantly, we expect demand to keep outstripping supply for 2025.
US President Trump's aggressive trade policies are contributing to the gold rally, but that appears to have come at a cost to his approval ratings domestically. A Reuters Ipsos poll found it had slipped by 1% to 44%, as Americans are worried about the direction of the US economy. How much weight do you put on that poll?
Not much, to be honest. Look, if anything we have learned from the recent presidential elections in the U.S., we take polling results with a pinch of salt, right? I think what's more important for investors and traders around the world is whether or not President Trump follows through with these threats, and that could determine the outlook not just for the global economy, but for inflation. It'll also influence how central banks react and ultimately financial markets, with gold sure to react to those risks. Case in point, that's why we're seeing them at never before seen levels as we speak.
Thank you very much, Tan Chung Han, taken with a pinch of salt and a pinch of gold dust too, I hope. Chief Market Analyst at FXTM, appreciate your time.